Hey guys, this is Krista out here at Johnson RV. We are America's #1 premium pre-owned dealership, and I'm super excited to show you this unit right here. It is a 2016 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed, and this thing's gorgeous. We're gonna take a walk around the outside and then head inside and show you about. So first and foremost, you are on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This is a 3.0 liter Blue Tech clean emissions diesel, 188 horse, 325 foot-pounds of torque, so plenty of zip to get you up and out of the way and out of harm's way, or down the road, or wherever you're going. Head back this way. It's really nice. If you know anything about leisure travel, the build quality is phenomenal. They're stall builds up in Canada, and they're building them right. Integrated fiberglass step here, a nice entry door light above when you do open your door as a courtesy light. You've got this nice big awning that pretty much is the entire length of the coach. This is about 25 feet long. It's really hard to tell quality unless you're actually here, but if you can actually hear this, you'll be able to tell, especially when you're here in person. But they vacuum bond the way that they build their walls and their roof are pretty unique, and unique again to the industry, but also hold up over time. We can go into that in depth when you're here. You've got a couple storage compartments. This is actually going to be your generator. These are slow closed doors, so they're not going to bop you in the head when you've got them open or shut, which is nice. Nice storage compartment here. Again, soft closed doors, and then a nice big storage compartment here for all of your gear. Any, golf clubs or chairs or whatever you want to take with you are going to fit right in here. Heading back this way. You've got an integrated backup camera, making parking very easy, or also towing. You've got a 5,000 pound tow capacity on here, 500 pound tongue weight. In this year model, you can actually leave that backup camera on when you're driving down the road, be able to watch whatever's behind you. It's also kind of helps out with safety as well, as kind of an extra backup, like rear view mirror really. Your entire service station's all going to be in one nice convenient area here. This is equipped with a macerator, going to make those dumping sessions a lot easier for you as well. Water heater, shore power cord. You've got dualies in the back. This is equipped with the Alcoa rims, so they're aluminum, going to help with stability. Also a nice quiet ride when you're going down the road, and they pull heat away from the brakes, so again, extra safety features there. Storage compartment, storage compartment. Nice slide topper above you. It's kind of hard to tell from where you are, but it is covering that slide to make sure you're operating in and out nice and smoothly, keeping your slide flush with your sidewalls when it's in and holding up better over time. Let's go inside. Alrighty guys, welcome back inside this 2016 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. This is your chassis area. You do have the smart wheel in here, pretty standard for Mercedes. With the overall console, you do have navigation, backup, all of that's going to be right here for you. Spanning back, Leisure Lounge Plus. This was an awesome addition to the Leisure Travel Unity builds. They're both recliner chairs, nice and comfortable, nice and big, in ultra leather. You can actually rotate both these seats to face each other. You can go 3/4 way, all the way. You've got a table that comes down for a nice eating area for both. So we're going to walk around this coach first, and then I'll absolutely demo the bed. This is a bed that comes out of the wall. Leisure Travel was one of the first to do that back in 2010, and they've made it really simple. So I'll definitely demo that for you as well. But let's head back to the kitchen area here. Nice big stainless steel sink. You've got your Corian countertops here. As Dean would say if you watch any of his videos, this is an ice bucket, but use it for what you'd like. It is actually, I think, supposed to be a trash can. Nice 2-burner stove for cooking. Plenty of storage here. As being in something this small, obviously you're 25 feet. Storage can be a problem sometimes, but not in this unit. Storage up above, and an extendable countertop here, which is really nice when you're prepping some food. Look at the bathroom. This is the shining, I mean, other than the bed, which is a great floor plan, but it's huge. One of the biggest bathrooms you can get in something this size. Nice corner shower here. Plenty of space, especially with your skylight. Porcelain toilet, which is also nice. A nice spray nozzle to clean out whatever you want to. Use it for whatever you'd like. Nice medicine cabinet here, and plenty of storage. Again, you've got a full wardrobe here, which is really nice. Keep you on the road longer. Taking a bunch of your gear, bunch of your stuff. Pull-out pantry like in all Leisure Travel products. Really innovative, taking advantage of any space that they can. convection microwave so you can bake. If you're like me, cookie lover, bread lover, is really gonna save you. And a separate fridge and freezer, which is also a 3-way. So it runs off of your propane 110 and your shore power. Now, a couple things. I'm gonna have you span this way because the TV is pretty cool. If you're sitting here enjoying the scenic views, wonderful. If you want your TV, check this out. Pops up right out of the wall. How smart is that? You can push it down when you want to actually just see the scenery, pull it up when you want to put on the news or whatever you like to watch. And let's demo this bed. So I'm going to have you spin this way. I'm going to show you how simple this is. When you're getting tired, getting ready for bed, you simply pull both of your cushions off, just like this. They made this so simple now. Pull both your backrests down. You've got locks on both sides. I did already unlock those. They're there for safety when you're traveling. Done. Just like that. It actually, you are able to keep bedding and whatnot on here, so you can leave it made up, and then you're done. It's that simple. So if you have any questions about this unit or any other unit we've got here, I'm happy to help. Again, my name's Krista. Best way to reach us is at 503-668-5400. Bye.